Welcome to Nira's Magical Adventures.
Hi friends, it's me, Nira. Guess where I am today? Greece. It took about 9 whole hours on a plane from New York to get here. But it was so worth it. Just look at this view. It's like stepping into a storybook. See that? That's the Parthenon. It's an ancient temple that's been standing for more than 2,000 years. And over there, the Aegean Sea. It's so blue. It looks like someone painted it with watercolors. Greece is where some of the coolest stories began, about gods and heroes. Zeus with his lightning bolt, Athena with her owl, and Pegasus, the flying horse. In Greece, people use euros. It's the same money that many countries in Europe use. And here in Greece, people say Kalimera. That means good morning. Greece is full of surprises. Let's go explore together.
Kalimera.
Kalimera. That means good morning, right?
Yes, you said it perfectly. I'm Nikos. Who are you?
I'm Nira. I came all the way from America.
America? Wow. Did you fly in an airplane?
Yes, for 9 hours. I even ate my lunch in the sky.
That's funny. My Papou gets seasick on boats. Maybe I get airsick on planes.
Then we'd make a good team. You on the sea, me in the sky. Everything here is so colorful. The houses, the flowers, even the streets.
Come on. I'll show you something even better. Look up there. It's the Parthenon.
It looks like a giant palace. Let's go. Wow, Nikos, it's huge. It looks like a castle in the sky.
This is the Parthenon. Can you believe it? It's been standing here for over 2,000 years.
Can you imagine something this big and beautiful lasting so long? It's like touching history.
Look at those carvings. They tell stories of the gods. There's Athena, the goddess of wisdom. The whole city of Athens is named after her.
Athena! She's the one with the owl, right?
Yes, and there's Zeus, the king of the gods, with his thunderbolt, and Pegasus, the flying horse.
It's like the Parthenon is a giant storybook, written in stone and sky.
Okay, you've seen our history. Now it's time to taste something sweet. My favorite taverna is just down the hill.
Sweet? I'm in!
This is baklava. It's one of our favorite desserts. It's made with crispy pastry, chopped nuts, and sweet honey syrup.
It smells amazing. Wow, sweet, crunchy, and sticky, all at once. I love it. Thank you for sharing this with me.
In Greece, when we want to say thank you, we say efaristo.
Efaristo, my friend. Hey, they're breaking plates.
Yes, it's a Greek tradition. People break plates when they celebrate, and we shout, Opa! Come give it a try. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Opa!
Opa!
Wave and say hello. Efaristo, Efaristo.
was great. Baklava, dancing, and even breaking plate. Greece is full of surprises.
And now you'll meet my Papou. He's by the sea today, working on his boats.
This is the second time I've heard you say that word. What does it mean?
Papou means grandpa, and he knows everything about the sea, and the old stories too. Papou, this is my new friend, Nira.
Ah, Kalimera, little one. Welcome to Greece.
Hello, Papou. Wow, the sea is so sparkly. Do you really sail out there?
Yes, the sea has always been part of Greek life. My father sailed, and his father before him. These waters carry many stories.
It's like the sea is alive with stories.
And those stories are treasures we share with every new generation. Here, Nira, a gift so Greece will always travel with you. This will protect you on your journeys. It's a bracelet with a blue bead we call the evil eye. In Greece, people wear it for good luck and protection.
Epharisto, Papou. I'll cherish it forever. And thank you for the stories. I'll never forget them.
You are welcome, little one. The sea will always carry our stories. Safe travels.
And Epharisto, to you too, Nikos. You've been the best friend and guide.
I'm glad you came, Nira. Greece is even better with friends. Come back again soon.
From the tall Parthenon to yummy baklava and shouting, Opa! To stories by the sea with my new friends, Nikos and Papou. Greece is full of fun and magic. I can't wait to see where I'll go next. See you next time, my friend.
Adventures waiting, come and see new friends and places, just you and me with Nira. With Nira, around the world we'll go. With Nira, let's take the ride across the world so far and wide. In this leads where winds may blow. Nira's magic will only grow. Friendship, kindness, fun each day. Nira's adventures are on the way. See you next time, my friend. Hooray! With Nira, let's take the ride across the world so far and wide. In this leads where winds may blow. Nira's magic will only grow. Friendship, kindness, fun each day. Nira's adventures are on the way. See you next time, my friend. Hooray! With Nira, let's take the ride across the world so far and wide. In this leads where winds may blow. Nira's magic will only grow. Oh, Nira's magic